In this video, you are going to run the basics of how to use ArchiCAD in just less than 40 minutes. First, open your ArchiCAD. If you don't have ArchiCAD 24, don't panic, just sit and relax, because you can do it by using other versions of ArchiCAD. When you are starting ArchiCAD with a setting, you will load the default profile. In the ArchiCAD interface, we have a toolbox. It shows a variety of tools for selection: 3D construction, 2D drawing, and visualization. By default, the toolbox is divided into tool groups: select, design, document, and more to make it easier to locate the tools you need. If it is not visible, activate Window Palette's toolbox commands. At the top, there is an info box, and is available for each tool in the toolbox. When you activate a tool or select a placed element, if several elements are selected, the info box displays the controls for the last selected element. If it is not activated on screen, use Window Palette's info box. We also have a quick option bar. It shows by default at the bottom of the ArchiCAD window. It shows the current setting of the currently activated tab. Navigator palette is a tree structure that lets you build up the entire project logic and navigate within it. You will find a number of stories, sections, elevations, details, and more. To show or to hide the navigator palette, using Window, Palette, Navigator. Every time before starting to draw, you have to check working unity you are working in. So, let's draw a simple house of 10 meters to 10 meters with 2 rooms, and run some ArchiCAD tools, shortcut, and commands. Go to Wall Settings by double-click on the wall icon. Change wall settings from composite to basic. Change the top link to not linked. Set wall height to 300 centimeters and wall thickness to 20 centimeters. Activate the wall surface by click on the icons and link the surface. Now we're going to add doors. Our door will start from 5 centimeters to 215 centimeters and 90 centimeters for width. We do the same on the window by double-click on Window Tools and adjust some settings. Add slab as the floor of our house. Click on the slab icon, change slab from composite to basic and give it the thickness of 20 centimeters. Activate the top and side surface of the slab. After adding our slab, create points by select slab and double-click where you want to locate your points. Make sure you selected the Move Nodes command. Now let's create a front balcony by pulling the middle part of the slab. Double-click on the roof in the toolbox, and the Roof Default Settings panel will pop up. Change roof settings from composite to basic. Roof thickness put 8 centimeters, roof angle put 30 degrees. So now we have our roof, let's check what we have in 3D. Not bad at all, I think we are doing a great job. But we still have work to do. Let's first change the offset of our roof to 50 centimeters. Select slab and press the Ctrl-Shift-E key on your keyboard to copy and drag the slab. Hit enter 2 times without moving the cursor. Resize slab on both edges. I think it looks great. Now let's add columns on the balcony to support the roof. Column size put in 20 centimeters. Go and document in the toolbox, activate dimension tool. But on this one, we will adjust some dimension tool settings after. Click on the edges and right click, then hit OK. First line represents the total length of the whole side, the second line represents wall thickness and size of rooms, the last one represents opening size and distance between openings. Repeat the same process on the remaining sides. There is another way of dimensioning, but I will talk about it in another video. Now select all dimensions by hold Ctrl+A key on your keyboard. Make sure the dimension tool is activated. Press Ctrl+T on your keyboard. Change witness line from dynamic height to none, and change marker size to 2 cm. Let's add text to our floor plan. Activate Text tool. Activate Mesh tool, and I think there is not much to change. Change cover fills from glass to airspace so that we can see clearly our floor plan. I think we are doing well. Bring organize so that we can organize our documents before we export them. Select View Map on the left side and select Layout Book on the right side. What we want here is to take drawings from the view map and drag them into the layout book we customized. Create a new layout. Change the name to elevation because that is where we are going to drag our elevations. Drag east elevation into elevation full dock layout. Now let's create another new layout for the floor plan and roof plan, and drag the floor plan from view map to layout book. But it looks like we have forgotten to create a section view. Click Viewpoint in the toolbox and activate Section tool. Click on the horizontal boundary and adjust them to see both sides of elevation. Now create the new master layout and drag it to the elevation and floor plan layout. Add other elevations by right-click, place a new drawing. Repeat the same process to add the remaining elevations. Here it looks like we have created a small master layout. Let's try A1 and see what it looks like. I think it is the one. Let's bring back the organizer. Create a new publish set. Drag the layout books we customized to PDF doc. Check publishing properties and choose where you want to export your document on your PC.